Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Chemistry Doctor. If you are new, please subscribe our channel, Chemistry Doctor. Today we are going to discuss a question that how can we convert the benzene into toluene, and then toluene is converted into the benzoic acid. In first step, benzene is converted into toluene by Friedel-Crafts alkylation in the presence of olivic acid. Here you can see benzene is treated with methyl chloride in the presence of olivic acid AlCl₃, which is called Friedel-Crafts alkylation, and benzene is converted into the toluene. In next step, this toluene is converted into the benzoic acid by oxidation of this toluene C₆H₅ group in the presence of KMnO₄, which is an oxidizing agent, and toluene converted into the benzoic acid. So this is the way that how can we convert the benzene into toluene and then to the benzoic acid. Thank you for watching our channel.